For those privileged enough to be chauffeured to school, the David G buses may never have any bearing in their lives. But for the thousands of students and parents who utilize these buses, there aren't enough praises that can be sung for the service. Praises that bus driver Frederick Stewart never grows tired of hearing.
Some parent thank me, for what we are doing. Thank the region, matter of fact, for what they are doing, because it has been a great help to them, financial-wise and transportation-wise and these type of things. It assists them a lot.
Frederick has been operating the David G bus plying the route between Unity and Lebon Intention. He starts his pickups from 7:30 and by 8:30, 8:45, he finishes up. As our team accompanied Frederick this morning on his trip, one thing was evident. The children were all extremely excited to board their bus. Unfortunately, there are only so many students that can be taken on each bus, something that Frederick wishes to see addressed soon.
As a lot of people can see, this bus stays full most of the time. Sometimes I have to refuse the children, and it hurt me sometimes. But I know we can't put our feelings into play, but we have to do the best we could. Subsidizing these type of things. We help our teachers as well. They be stranded. Sometimes I have the children in here that I know, they say, that's my teacher, I have her class now. She's stranded, can't catch a bus. I pick her up.
Frederick is of the opinion that at least 2 more buses are needed on the East Coast for them to be able to help all the students, as it is quite clear just the one is not enough.
Many of the children, as we can see for ourselves too, just through transportation-wise, they can't go to school. And those are the ones really turn out to be the smartest ones because they have some very smart children. I've observed that myself, truthfully speaking, because you pay attention enough to them, you see who wants to learn, you can see who don't want to learn. Because you have some children, they actually wait just for this bus because they're sure of going to school. They're not being tampered with and these type of things, squeeze and choke in these buses and these type of things.
While this initiative is merely one part of the 5Bs initiative launched by the APNU AFC government, it is just as impactful as any other aspect of the initiative. As these students line up and wait patiently to go to school and to be taken home, there are those who do the same for the boats. There are students who happily await the breakfast provided by the initiative. All of these factors coming into play help to improve the performance of students all around, as one is more prone to learn when they have no worry about where their next meal is coming from or how they will be getting home.